Hello friends, welcome to ixamBee. If you are watching this video, then you'd already be knowing that SIDBI had released notification of recruitment of assistant managers. Those who were eligible, their forms have been accepted, and those who were not eligible, their forms have been rejected. And as per our promise, we have refunded the amount for those whose application forms got rejected. Now coming to another notification from SIDBI website which states about the psychometric test. This is the notification, and today 30th Jan is the last day to attempt the psychometric test. Most important thing mentioned here is that online psychometric assessment will not be scored and shall be used only as input for interview process. So do give a free sample psychometric test on our website to get full feel of the types of questions which may be asked, and then appear for your actual psychometric test so that you are fully mentally prepared to give this exam and face the questions that are present in the actual test. Only thing you must be cautious about while giving the psychometric test is consistency. Like if in this question you answer say neutral, right? Then here also in the next question your answer should be neutral, right? Take care of these points while attempting your psychometric test and you will definitely do great in it, right? To get guidance in interview and GD preparation, enroll to our course where eminent faculty comprising of Ex-SIDBI and Ex-RBI officers will guide you on important topics and make you interview and GD ready. In our course, we will also provide one mock interview, one mock GD, and also crisp notes and recorded lecture videos by ex-SIDBI officers. All this material will be very essential for you and will be very beneficial for you while you're appearing for your actual group discussion and your interview. Right? Do not forget to attempt the free psychometric test, link of which is given in the description box below. Do subscribe to our channel if you already have not. Do press the bell icon to continue receive the updates of the videos we bring for you.